Hello guys, welcome back to another episode, and today I'm going to teach you variables. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, I already explained what is a variable. If you want, you can stop the video and read it, but I will explain it in short. So basically a variable is a box with a name. So let's say I have a box called number, and in that box we have a specific piece of data, like a number. There are many types of data. We have string, which is a text, a number, then bool or boolean, which is like true or false, and we have many more, but they are out of the context of the video. So the way we create a variable is like this. We type local. We are not going to talk about this keyword yet because it's pretty advanced, but just know for now we need to type local. Then we type the variable name. By the way, you don't actually need this stuff. Just for explanation, I put them there. And then the data. So let's create a variable. For example, local text equals hello. Now another type is a number. Let's say 5. And remember, this name of the variable can be whatever you want. It doesn't need to be a number. You can even call it hello, I like this video. It doesn't matter. But it cannot start with a number like this. Okay, it cannot have a special letters, just words or numbers. But don't start with a number. Now let's do a boolean variable. So local is fat equals false. If you can remember, in the first episode we added this method called print, and print lets us print a text into the output. Okay, so if I put here text, which is equals to hello, if we will run the script, it will say hello in the output. Now if we print hello, which is a number for some reason, we will get 5. We could even do like hello plus 10, which will give us 15. And finally we can print is fat, which will just say false. So you might wonder, why do we have those quotation marks? This helps the script identify that this is a string or a text. And that is basically it. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please consider subscribing and giving us a like. Thanks for watching.